Your Blazer EV may feature the brand new available AutoSense power liftgate feature. No longer do you need to kick your foot under the bumper to try to open the liftgate. You simply walk up to the rear of your Blazer EV with your key fob in your hand or pocket and stand within 3 feet of the vehicle for about 3 seconds. The vehicle will sense you and start to beep. After the 4th beep, the liftgate will automatically open. No need to even remove the key fob from your pocket. Closing the liftgate is done with a simple press of the button here on the interior trim of the liftgate. This is a great feature for when your hands are full. Keep in mind, you'll need to enable this feature in the vehicle settings. To enable this feature, you'll need to go into the Settings app. From there, Vehicle, and then Comfort and Convenience. Inside that menu, you'll find an option called Hands-Free Exterior Storage Access. Tap on that menu and you can toggle from off to open only to enable the AutoSense hands-free liftgate. In the event you want to turn the feature back off, you can return to this very same menu. Enjoy your new ride.